In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram highlights from Camera Roll Gallery. Highlights are the circles that live under your profile bio and keep your favorite stories visible beyond the usual 24 hours. We'll start right from your phone's gallery so you can feature your best photos and videos in a polished, permanent way. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. By default, Instagram may open to post, so look along the bottom and switch the option from post to story. This makes sure anything you select next will be formatted as a story, which is the only content type you can save to highlights. Next, tap the small gallery icon in the bottom left corner to open your camera roll. Browse your photos and videos and select the one you want to share. If a video is longer than the story limit, Instagram will automatically segment it. For best results, pick vertical content or be ready to crop and adjust it to fit the story frame. Now customize your story if you'd like. Add text, stickers, tags, or draw on it. You can pinch to resize, drag elements for precise placement, and use the alignment guides to keep everything tidy. Consider adding a caption for context, location, or mention tags if relevant, and make sure any text is readable against the background. When you're ready, tap the arrow or send to button in the bottom right. Before you share, look at the top of this screen and tap Add to Highlights. This is the shortcut that pins the story to your profile. You'll see your existing highlights, choose one to add to, or tap the plus button to create a new highlight. Give it a clear name so visitors understand what they'll see, then confirm. Your selected photo or video from the gallery is now saved in that highlight and will be visible on your profile. You can also add existing stories to highlights from your profile anytime. Go to your profile page, tap the plus next to highlights under your bio, and select the stories you previously posted from your camera roll. This is handy if you forgot to add something to a highlight when you first shared it. A few quick tips as you go. Keep text within the safe margins so it doesn't get cropped on different devices. Avoid clutter so your message stands out. And remember that highlights are public to anyone who can view your profile. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.